This is a foggy, looks almost like a rainbow out here. Oh, fish on. Right here fishing. About 40 feet of water this morning. Let's see what I get. Looking for some legal red groupers. Everything else is closed. This old boy might be legal. I don't know. Nice red. At least I know I'm in the right place. That was a 19-inch grouper. Too short. Gotta be 20. Alright. Back in the drink, buddy. Well, I got a pretty good spot right here. And I'm getting some, God, look at the size of this gag. Oh, gag season is out. That's a nice fish, though, I'll tell you that much. Oh well. That is a big fish right there. I'm going to tell you, it's about 15 pounds at least. Well, that is about a 15-pound grouper right there. That is a big one. And gag season is closed, so he's got to go back. Oh well. Nice fish, though. Drifting around out here. Instead of anchoring, just drifting. I got almost no current today, so I'm just trying a few spots out here. Another one on. These fish are doing a pretty good job of whacking a fire out of this bait. What do I got here? Another gag? Yep. Nice fish, though. It's a 22-inch gag. Just out here drifting along the bottom this morning. Kill some time. Alright, see ya. Another critter on. Another gag. About a, oh, he's 20, 21. There's a 20-inch gag. Alright, buddy. Catch on the flip. Another grouper on. Another gag. No, it's a red, small red. A bit on the short side. There's a little red. Pretty fish. Oh, he's croaking too. I don't think he likes me. Alright, see ya. Whew. I just yanked another one off the bottom. He got some size to him too. It's a big gag too. Another big one. Woo! That's another 12 to 15 pounder. God, this is a nice little area I've been drifting. Foggy is all get out here, but that's not a big deal. There's another nice one. Well, there's a honker. He's 28. He's smaller than that other fish, because it was at 30. He's not bad at all. All right, buddy. Time to get your honker butt back in there. See ya. I don't know what I got here. It may even be a shark. I can't. Yeah, it's a big shark. Well, he's gonna have to break me off. Looks like a big sandbar. All I can do with this big boy is hold on. No, it's a tiger. I got him all wrapped up too. It's about a 100-pound tiger. You believe me, ain't busted this thing off yet. And it's just a matter of time. Ah. Nice knock in the noggin. Another boy on. Fog's finally starting to clear up out here. Oh, here's a nice red. He ain't legal, but not a bad looking red. There's a 19.5-inch grouper. That's a fat boy. He's got a fat. I think he's been eating all my bait. It's just a 1/2 inch underside. That's a pretty fish though. Look at that mouth. All right. See you, buddy. Well, not a bad day out here today. Ran out about 30 miles. That's some big grouper, some small grouper, and then that one 50 to 75 pound, maybe 7-foot tiger shark. Not a bad solo day out here, particularly with all this fog. I can't see nothing. But anyway, it has been a good trip on the Gulf. Catch you on the flip.